Question 6. Complete the following reactions. First part, NH3 plus 3Cl2 excess forms NCl3 plus 3HCl. Second part, XCF6 plus 2H2O forms XeO2F2 plus 4HF. Or the second question is, what happens when NH4 whole 2 Cr2O7 is heated? When this chemical is heated, N2 dinitrogen plus 4 molecules of water 4H2O plus dichromium trioxide Cr2O3 is formed. Second part, what happens when phosphorus acid H3PO3 is heated? 3 molecules of phosphoric acid H3H3PO4 and phosphorus hydride PH3 is formed.